Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to do another review. I've been asked by another Amazon seller to review some craft products that they have. This product here, and this is it's an earring kit. It's a DIY earring kit. It comes with a lot. And I'm going to zoom in and lay them down here on my mat. It comes with a lot of different option colors. It's like I don't know what the material is. It's a plastic type of material. But there's the pair. There's that one. There's this pair. So they're circle, ovals, and like teardrop pairs. It comes with the earrings pieces. So the earring pieces, and then the jump rings to attach the earring pieces to the art piece. And there's all different types, all different sceneries, colors. It's another teardrop one. An oval one, circle, and these look like anthuriums. Not anthuriums. I don't know what they look like, but. So that's the set. I did receive it, like I said, from Amazon. I am going to assemble a few of them, and I will be back. Actually, I'll assemble them here. I might speed up the film while I am assembling them. And so it looks like I'm gonna make these two different ones. So I'm going to need, for these two sets, I'm going to need 4 jump rings, for each set, and I will need 2 earring pairs. There are 2 different size jump rings, so I'm gonna assume, here we go, assuming that these attach to the earring art, for lack of better word. And then these jump rings attach to the earring itself, and then they attach to each other. So hopefully it works out. It might take me some time because my eyes don't work very well. Okay, let's check this out. Let me put this stuff away. I'll be back and ready to assemble. Okay, so these are the tools that I'm going to use. So here these ones are. They dangle. They're lightweight. It is a 12-piece set. So it'd be a fun little thing for some teenage girls to get together and put, or even some women, you know, to have a crafty evening. So that's that one. Here's the second one. Yeah, so very lightweight. I don't feel them at all on my ears. You know, the patterns, they have different sets you can pick, so maybe you could get different patterns, but yeah, that's them. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you've ever tried any of the kits that you find on Amazon. It's a great kit, like I said, that would be good for a group of people to do. You know, just something to get together and to do. I don't think it was very costly, so it'd be very economical to put together an event with some friends. So, hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing this video and joining me on this crafty journey. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!